Hey everyone, want to transfer website files using FileZilla? In this video, I'll show you how to move website files between your computer and your server step by step. Yeah, whether you're uploading a new website, updating existing files, or creating a backup, this guide will help you manage your website files easily. First, open FileZilla on your computer and connect to your web server. Enter your host address, username, password, and port number, then click Quick Connect. Make sure the connection is successful before transferring any files. Once connected, you'll see your computer files on the left side under Local Site and your server files on the right side under Remote Site. This side-by-side view makes managing website files much easier. Next, locate your website files on your computer. These may include files like HTML pages, CSS files, JavaScript files, images, and other website folders. Now open the correct website directory on your server. In many cases, website files need to be uploaded to a specific folder provided by your hosting service. Uploading files to the wrong location can prevent your website from working properly. To upload your website, select the files and folders from the Local Site section and drag them into the correct Remote Site folder. FileZilla will begin transferring the files automatically. Monitor the transfer queue at the bottom of the window to check the progress. Wait until all files show as successfully transferred before closing FileZilla. If you're updating an existing website, be careful when replacing files. So, creating a backup of your current website files before making changes is always a good idea. You can also download your website files from the server to your computer using the same drag-and-drop method. This is useful for backups, editing, or moving your website to another server. After the transfer is complete, open your website in a browser and check that everything is working correctly. And that's how you transfer website files with FileZilla. With these simple steps, you can easily upload, download, and manage your website files using FTP or sftp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.